Hi, baddest bird. Who's the baddest bird? Oh, look, who's a little scratch? Let's look like a little dog. Yes, you do. Are you cute? Are you bad? You're both. Oh, look at you. Little's a little tiny birdie. Hmm? Was you a little mean bird? Was you a little mean bird? Yes, you were a little mean bird. Ooh, the baddest bird. Was him cute? Was he some cute? Say hello. He says, I don't say hello, I'm mean. Yes, I am. Look at your little head. Are you going to scratch again? Can you scratch again like a little dog? Could you scratch like a dog? No? We just don't want to? There you go. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at you. Aww. No. You certainly got rid of him in a hurry, didn't you? Mm-hmm. That's your perch, right? Uh-oh. Well, there's two more. Where'd Baddest bird go? Oh, Baddest bird's gonna hide. I guess that's all the show I get today.